welcome back to the Terror with Autism 2005. Today's video we're filming via train number 84 in the St. Mary's train station. I actually got here in a good time because when I got here the scanner said the 25-mile-an-hour yellow flag for milepost 99.3. So here they come. That's an F40 coming in, so we'll have to find out if it's either wrap or unwrap. I think it's going to be an unwrap. Yeah, it's an F40 and it's going to be an unwrap. Yeah, it's an unwrap. What F40? It's 6412. The old 85 later. 6412. This is after it. With coaches, 2 rebuilds, 3306 and the other car. I don't know what the other car is, so without further ado, I will pause. Here goes via 84, 6412. The old 85, the 88 there. Too. The last car's 3312. Good old train horn, guys. Amazing crew. That's the second time 6412 has given me a horn at this location. My crew likes me alright, and I'll see you guys later. I will see you for 85. 85 coming in, wrapped F40, awesome. 6402. Too. It's not in the 40-year wrap. No. Still with that constant. Beautiful bloods. And a pause. And here goes 85 now. With 6402 wrapped. It might start to get a little boring to see wrapped F40s in this corridor because they're now coming through on 85 and 88 now. Which is this one in particular. 6402. Imagine this train gives me a horn back. That would be nice. Which I don't think it will. No, I don't think so. I thought they were going to go backwards for a second, but they're not. Here they go now. He's going to blow his horn. Eventually. There it goes. That scared me a little. Sorry for the shakiness. The nickname is the 2-car train. Thanks for watching. After the train horn goes. Thanks for watching.